How to change region in Riot account. First, open up your web browser like Chrome or Firefox. Type in Riot Games support region change in the search bar and hit enter. Click on Riot Games. It should take you to Riot Games' official support page for region changes. If you're not already logged in, find the login button at the top right corner of the page and click on it. Enter your Riot account credentials to sign in. Scroll down the page until you see a section that says something like "Can't find what you're looking for." Below that, you'll see an option to submit a ticket. Click on that. You'll see a drop-down menu asking for the type of request. Select Account Management, Data Requests, or Deletion from the options. Fully fill out the form properly. In the description box, explain politely that you want to change your account's region because you made a mistake initially. Be sure to mention the region you want to change to, like Europe or Asia. Once you've filled out the form, hit the Submit button. Now, all you have to do is wait for Riot Games support to get back to you. They'll confirm whether they were able to change your account's region. And there you have it. Changing the region in your Riot account is as easy as following these simple steps. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.